प्रेशर होता है क्या सीए का काम में? प्रेशर किस चीज का होता है? काम ज्यादा पर डे करने का, डेडलाइंस मीट करने का, इस टाइप का प्रेशर होता है कि काम बहुत टफ होता है इसीलिए प्रेशर लगता है?
ऑब्वियसली
like is the work tough? Is the CA degree का education enough to help you in the day to day work, or do you need to research more?
Obviously you need to research more because
everything gets updated, that's for sure.
Correct. That's the exact point, because if you talk about CA, the main core subjects are auditing, accounting, taxation. These are the main core subjects, right? And every day, every month we see some of the other lobbying change. Like for GST happened, from indirect tax, it was a big change. So the people who could not update themselves, they went out of practice. So अगर आप खुद को अपडेट नहीं करोगे तो आप प्रैक्टिस से बाहर हो जाओगे।
तो वो करना बहुत जरूरी है,
बहुत जरूरी है।
So why did you choose a job? You had your siblings who are already doing CA. You could have just formed a firm, na?
Yeah, I mean,
you would have been 3 CAs with a lot of network, and you could have gotten a lot of files and to begin with. So like risky है इसीलिए नहीं किए कि तीनों को अलग-अलग चीज चाहिए इसीलिए?
Risky है, plus it's like taking a risk. That's true, very true. Plus you need to have some bit of capital also to start your own
capital चाहिए, हाँ बिल्कुल चाहिए, और अच्छा कैपिटल चाहिए आज का डेट में, मतलब 10-15 लाख तो चाहिए ही चाहिए।
Yeah, I mean 10-15 लाख भी कुछ नहीं होता।
हाँ, कुछ नहीं होता। There's no end.
Correct. I mean to establish a CA firm in current times, I think it's very difficult because
capital investment, the work, and the network.
I mean because more
and 3 CA एक ही फाइल मैनेज करेगा, that is also something harsh. I mean, because fees का collection भी उतना मैच करना चाहिए, revenue should, and there are already firms.
Correct. I mean
नया क्लाइंट पोच करना भी आज का डेट में बहुत मुश्किल है, बिकॉज वो लोग सालों से किसी के पास जा रहा है।
करेक्ट।
सो दे ऑब्वियसली इट वुड बी ऑफ पुटिंग फॉर अदर्स आल्सो।
दैट्स ट्रू।
सो यू वुड क्रिएट न्यू एनिमीज।
दैट्स द पॉइंट, या।
तो उससे अच्छा है जॉब कर लो।
आई मीन एंड स्टार्टिंग में कैपिटल होगा, नॉलेज होगा। ऐसा तो नहीं है कि वी नो एवरीथिंग दैट वी डू।
हाँ सही बात।
स्टार्टिंग में नॉलेज होगा, मे बी इफ डाउन द लाइन इफ एवरीथिंग फॉल्स इनटू प्लेस वी माइट
हाँ व्हाई नॉट समझ में आ रहा है। सो जॉब इज अ गो टू चॉइस बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ फैक्टर्स आर देयर एट प्ले, एंड देन firms, you have worked at mid-size private firms. You have also you're currently working in a big corporate office. Do you think there is office politics?
Yeah, I mean,
like work from home में कुछ politics देखा क्या थोड़ा बहुत?
Yeah, I mean politics is everywhere. I mean obviously.
Work from home में भी मिल गया politics.
हाँ, I mean
like उसमें तो कोई scope भी नहीं है ना कि पीठ पीछे बात करेगा।
नहीं, that's simple things like taking credit for other people's work.
Okay, that is also there.
For the people's good ideas.
But मेरे को लगा digital accountability ज़्यादा होगा ना?
नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है, like because if you talk about me, so I'm at the low level. There's a manager I report to, there's a partner, right? So at times I don't have a direct connection with me with the partner.
Right.
So there's the chain of command that you have to follow.
So manager manipulates sometimes.
Sometimes, I mean, there are some managers who are very nice, who who tell the partners that this guy came up with the idea.
But there are some managers with an agenda.
Yeah, they are just trade mongers. Yeah, that's true.
वो उनका अपना एजेंडा ही है.
They are everywhere and they are nowhere.
Right. Yeah. समझ रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो मतलब you like the corporate culture right now. You are in a good place right now.
Yeah.
Mentally also you are in a great place.
I'm in Delhi. That's not a good place. I'm sorry.
and Delhi कैसा लग रहा है?
So yeah, as I said, I mean I was there for only 4 months, so I don't know what happened.
अभी और अपडेट करेंगे बाद में.
हाँ, might be. We might have a season 2.
But Calcutta से ज़्यादा lit है क्या?
Yeah, हाँ lit तो है. I mean
just because you lack crowd and friends there. थोड़ा कम lit लग रहा है, but if you have the right connections, I think it will be very lit.
No, yeah, I agree.
But can you imagine a full life there, or do you want to come back?
That's a tough question, but I haven't thought about it much. But just for the simple reason, I mean, मेरे को क्या चाहिए? मेरे को घूमना है. Like this is the age to explore the world, right?
Right.
India घूमना है अभी. So if I talk about Delhi has so many nice adjoining places. You can go to Himachal, you can go to Rajasthan. So
बाबा घूमने का तो शौक चढ़ा हुआ है.
मेरा प्लान यही था कि जाएंगे गुड़गांव, 1 साल 1.5 साल में पूरा नॉर्थ इंडिया घूम के खत्म कर देंगे.
घूम तो लिए?
क्या घूमे ब्रो, खाली मनाली गए.
क्या बात कर रहे हो, कितना घूमे हो तुम?
नहीं, I was like हाँ अमृतसर जाएंगे.
By the way, to the audience, he is like on a trip high, okay, which is never ending. He always wants to go somewhere. In fact, अभी दिसंबर में कहीं चल. अभी तो घूमे.
अरे so this is the block leave that we get Christmas to New Year.
And it's very interesting the way you actually roam around. I have seen it. You form a schedule, bro. You are a very strict, he's a very strict person to travel with. He will have a schedule. Utho nahao. We went to this place called Ayodhya Hills.
I mean, if you're in a holiday and you,
let me tell the audience,
if you don't get up by 10 a.m., you're just wasting your time, bro.
But isn't that what holiday is? Chilling, waking
there
up
are two
late?
types of holidays. There are two types of holiday destinations. One is like you want to totally chill. You don't want to do anything. Pura chill karna hai, masti karna hai. Then that's like Maldives.
But do you realize if we are 6-7 people, सबका अलग vibe होता है.
So you have to.
So we are at a place called Marble Lake and he's like, चलो 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 हो गया. And then we are at the other place and he's like, हाँ यहाँ तो हो गया, फोटो खींच लिया, अब चलो चलो next place. And we are like, भाई बैठते हैं यहाँ पे, बैठते थोड़ा देरी चिल करते. क्या करेगा चिल करके, देख तो लिया, चल अब. So I saw other people get frustrated group में. Like आप चिराग आ जाएगा, चलो चलो. By night we gave up. Evening तक we were like, आप चिराग बुला लेगा, चलो चलो. हम लोग एक जगह गाड़ी रोके थे, गाना वाना चला रहे थे. बोले क्या कर रहा है, चल यहाँ से. याद आया. ये लाइक क्या कर रहा है तुम लोग, यहाँ गाड़ी क्यों रोक दिया, घुमा चल. तो हम लोग बोले नहीं भाई, थोड़ा देरी वेट करते, कुछ नहीं होगा. बट ठीक है, मतलब यू आर अ डिसाइसिव पर्सन दैट आई हैव सीन. एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज अप विद अंकुर वारिकू.
Oh God!
I wanted to ask this, right? So you love Ankur Warikoo.
It's not that I love. It's that if I talk about personal finance,
yeah,
I started watching his videos first.
But abhi, what is great mind opener for me is comedians of the nation are now teaching finance. And I think Tanmay Bhatt. I'm referring specifically to Tanmay Bhatt, and that is a great thing.
Yeah.
I think the country should wake up. That's a waking call. कि अगर एक comedian, अगर एक आदमी जो AIB जैसा कंपनी चलाया और रोस्ट होस्ट किया है, वैसा आदमी सीरियस नोट पे सबको फाइनेंस सिखा रहा है, तो किसी को फाइनेंस एजुकेशन नहीं मिल रहा है.
That's true. I mean, you talk about what's wrong with our like school education system, right?
Right.
So nobody talks about taxes. Nobody talks about how to manage your money.
Nobody talks about finance.
Nobody talks about finance, right? So even like हम लोग तो चलो फिर भी कॉमर्स वाले हैं. What about like science people? Some of us
कॉमर्स वाले तो हैं.
Nice one.
See, इसीलिए कैची नेम.
Yeah. So if I talk about my science friends, they do, like just a basic thing. So one of my school friends, she was a junior. She got into a job. And,
are we?
No. Let's not take names.
Oh.
Okay. So
sorry, Kaka Kaskas joke.
No, that's not Kaskas.
No, not Kaskas. Oh my God. Okay.
So, yeah,
skip audience. Skip.
So she got into a job, and the first payslip that she got. That's a funny meme in our world. So the difference between gross pay and the net in hand that you get.
Okay.
There's like 3-4 deductions that happen, like
yeah.
In some companies ESI.
Oh, अच्छा. So it was like मेरे को पैकेज 1 लाख का मिला तो मुझे 1 लाख क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है?
Yeah, and they're like मेरे को इतना कम पैसा क्यों मिला? Please help me bridge the gap between my gross pay and my net pay. What the hell just happened with me?
जॉब मिलने के बाद भी लोगों को ये एडुकेशन नहीं है.
Correct. They don't know the basic stuff, right? So
आदमी इनकम टैक्स के बारे में कहाँ से सोचेगा?
Exactly. I don't blame them. I blame our education system for that because थोड़ा तो आइडिया होना चाहिए ना.
कौन सा एज में मिलना चाहिए एडुकेशन का ज्ञान? चलो पेरेंट्स से तो हम गिव अप कर दिया.
It should be in school only. I mean, क्लास 10 तक आपको थोड़ा आइडिया होना चाहिए. If not 10, then maybe 11-12 में basic knowledge of finance, basic knowledge to how to manage your money, how to take risks.
मतलब I think 9-10 में थोड़ा सा समझाना चाहिए, 11-12 में हार्डकोर समझाना चाहिए.
I think it should be like a subject only, like
and
geography.
I think if nothing कॉलेज में तो समझाना ही चाहिए.
That's true.
अपना तो कॉलेज में भी नहीं समझाया. अपने लोग को बोला मिस्टर एक्स अर्न 60 लाख रुपीस, उसका टैक्स निकालो. अरे अगर हम मिस्टर एक्स होगा तब क्या होगा? इमेजिनरी पर्सन का इमेजिनरी अमाउंट लेके वो 80 प्लस करके आज का असेसमेंट ईयर कुछ भी चल रहा है.
हाँ. But then I have a counter intuitive thought also, like अगर उनको सब सिखा दिया तो CS क्या करेंगे फिर?
वाह.
So they'll go out of business, right?
So self-loathed.
No, I'm just thinking on both sides. कि अगर उनको सब सिखा दिया, if they know how to manage their taxes, then what will CS do? Like small firms, like if I want to start my own firm.
But that's भाई बहुत argumentative है ये statement.
No, I'm just putting it out there. I've thought about it. It's not that I want it to happen.
But it's like we should not be denied medical knowledge because doctor बनना है.
I agree with that. Everybody should have some basic knowledge. Right. That's true.
Basic knowledge का ही बात हो रहा है. Advanced knowledge कोई ये नहीं बोल रहा कि टैक्स निकालना सिखाओ 10th में.
Correct. But
that is not right. But हाँ, पैसा क्या होता है? How does the world work? How does finance work? इकोनॉमी कैसे चलता है ये बताना चाहिए. और बहुत लोग बोलते हैं क्लास 11 का इकोनॉमिक्स में तो पढ़ रहे हो. अरे सर, लॉ ऑफ डिमांड पढ़ने से, लॉ ऑफ सप्लाई पढ़ने से नहीं होता है. आपके पास पैसा है, उसको कितना इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, म्यूचुअल फंड क्या होता है, सब कोई बताएगा तब ना.
करेक्ट.
आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई यू लव अंकुर वारिकू.
I don't love Ankur Warikoo. Is that I watch
What would be your reaction if I told you हम 50,000 का FD किया है?
I'll just walk out of this video right now.
अंकुर वारिकू जी को टैग करेंगे, ठीक है, लेट्स सी व्हाट ही सेज, ठीक है, ही हेट्स एफडी, आई इवन सॉ स्किट्स, ठीक है, बट यस अंकुर वारिकू हैज टॉट मी अ लॉट, मतलब उनका वीडियो कभी कभी देखते हैं एंड इट्स लाइक माइंड ओपनिंग, राइट, इवन फॉर ऑल द कॉमर्स वाले पीपल आई रेकमेंड हिम. तन्मय भट्ट जी भी अलग ही लेवल पर चल रहे हैं अब. ही आल्सो,
I mean, it just shows that how important it is for everyone to know basics about personal finance. And आप पैसा कमा रहे हो तो you have to manage it, right? I mean, if you don't know what to do with your money.
now you see that's the point I want to make. Like Ankur Warikoo is not a CA.
Yeah.
Tanmay Bhatt is not a chartered accountant.
Okay.
ठीक है, I don't think Ankur Warikoo is a CA.
I don't know.
I think वो ऐसा चीज है ना जो CA लगा देता. If somebody is a CA, I think वो CA. But I don't know. This is not verified. Huh? I think so. Maybe he is very qualified. But मेरे को इतना पता है नियर बाय को $100 million में एग्जिट किया. That is something he makes sure वो हाईलाइट किए. Right? सबका अपना लाइफ का हाई होता है. He has highlighted his.
That is a crazy, like, you know, class 10. I remember nearby. I mean,
I still remember
class
nearby.
8-9 में nearby. I think it was earlier named Groupon or something.
हाँ.
Groupon से nearby हुआ था.
Yes.
It was a crazy. I mean.
नियर बाय भाई क्या डिस्काउंट देता था वो उस टाइम का डाइन आउट जोमेटो वाला लेवल का काम कर रहा था. मतलब आई थिंक इट वाज टू मच यू नो
ahead of its time.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. बट ठीक है, तो फाइनेंस एजुकेशन लैक कर रहा है, उसको ठीक करना पड़ेगा सोसाइटी में, है कि नहीं, और इन्वेस्टमेंट करने का सही सिस्टम क्या ये भी समझना पड़ेगा. एंड डू यू हैव एनी रिकमेंडेशन फॉर द किड्स ऑफ द फ्यूचर, लाइक अभी जो क्लास 11-12 में कॉमर्स लेके पढ़ रहे हैं, राइट, हमारा वीडियो तो वही देखेंगे जो कॉमर्स ले चुके हैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, है ना, सो वी कैन नॉट इवन शेयर क्या हम लोग का पर्सपेक्टिव है 7-8 को लेकर, फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा. सो 11-12 के बच्चे जो अभी करेंटली है, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू टेल देम, जस्ट नॉट रिलेटेड टू स्टडीज, ऑन एनी नोट, ऑन अ पर्सनल नोट, व्हाट इज अ मैसेज यू लाइक देम टू हियर, लाइक अबाउट द फ्यूचर, कि क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, या किस चीज, कोई मोटिवेशन फैक्टर जो आपको पुट आउट करना उनके लिए आप बोल सकते हो.
I mean, I would just like to say that don't follow the herd. I mean, do your own research before you.
Don't be a sheep.
Yeah. So do your own research before you start anything. अगर आपको कोई भी डिग्री लेना है, if you like the subjects, then go for it. Don't do it because of parental pressure or any peer pressure. अगर आपको पसंद है, just go for it. Even if it's not like आपका वो स्ट्रीम नहीं है. क्लास 12 के बाद if you think यार मेरे को इंजीनियरिंग करना है, just go for it. 2 साल की बात है, वेस्ट होगी, वापस you'll get it back.
मतलब don't even be scared to switch fields.
That's correct. I mean, because if you think about it, 2 years in 60 years is nothing, right? If you
yeah, definitely.
It's nothing. But आप अगर you are like you're sticking to a field that you don't like and आप continue करे जा रहे हो उसको,
60 years तक नहीं झेल पाओगे.
You get frustrated, and then switching earlier is better than switching at a later stage, right?
So you know, I still get calls. Although we have a coaching center, CSCS, I still get calls. I today got a call from a 32-year-old person, 6:45 in the morning. It was 6:45 in the morning. I get calls all day, right? अभी कितना कॉल ये फ्लाइट मोड पे गया तुमको आइडिया भी नहीं है. And these are people who are depressed. These are people who have no idea what to do with their future. He's an engineer, and he called me and he's like, he directly said, and he was उसका मतलब वो सुन के मेरा नींद खुल गया सुबह 6:45 बजे. And he's like, दादा, I'm 32 years age, I'm an engineer. Can I do CA? And 6:45 in the AM in the morning, and I am like, उठा है I'm just, and I'm like नींद पे, I'm like भाई इतना heavy question, and but it was nothing for me. I could not have shut the call and said आप बाद में कॉल करिए. I needed to talk to that person because वो अभी जिस लेवल पर है शायद वो छत से कूद जाएगा, उसको जानना है. I said yes, you can, but the scope is very less. I had to tell him this because again if he develops high hopes, that is my fault.
Yeah.
So I had to tell him it's never late, but sir scope कम है. तो बोला क्यों? So वो बोला कि हम उसको बोला कि आप 32 के, वो बोलता है नहीं हम मेहनत करने को रेडी है. I said आप अगर 4.5 years भी करते हो, you'll be 37 by the time you become a CA, and you'll be competing with 21 year olds to get a job. So I don't know, and plus you'll not be earning while you're studying, so you have to leverage that out. And he's like, okay, I did not think about it, हम आपको कॉल करता है. So you understand, even if after 32-year-olds, 40-year-olds, 50-year-olds are thinking about doing CA right now. For some people, CA is a mind opener. For some people, it might be a regret, right? So do you recommend CA to the commerce students right now?
It's not like...
Who is CA for? Who is this degree
CA
meant
is for everybody. I mean, whoever loves the subject, whoever has a passion for it should go for it.
Like passion for what? Money?
Not for money. I mean, it's not that you get out of the world packages or not, but it's a very respectful course, first of all. So
yeah, you are considered to be very knowledgeable.
Yeah.
ये तो मैंने देखा है.
And like if you complete it in 4 or 5 years, then you know all the hard work that you've put into, so that somehow changes your personality. You know you're up for any challenge that is thrown to you, so you become strong as a person. It shapes your mind to a very nice direction, I would say. So it's not that whether I would recommend it or not, it's just that nobody should do it because my brother is doing it or my friends are doing it.
But you
तो मैं
did.
भी कर रहा हूँ. Yeah, so I did it. I said I did it, but कर लिया तो कर लिया.
It
But
was
I
a
would not
correct
recommend.
decision on your part.
Yeah.
You feel it is a correct decision on your part till now. I'm not saying future में
I
realize
don't
होगा गलत
regret
है.
it, but
हाँ.
I just think that what not.
For you, it was a correct decision.
Correct.
You knew it was a correct decision.
हाँ.
Even if it was not for your brothers and sisters, you would have done the same course. There was a good probability.
Might be.
Good probability.
Good probability. Yeah.
Good probability. Because you had that mindset of you hated science.
I hated science.
You did not.
Humanities.
So commerce होता. Commerce के बाद मन करता करने का.
बनने
And from
पर
the background you belong, you want to uplift yourself. You want to be at the stage. What जो तुमको चाहिए वो तुमको मिले. You're working hard for it. So I think CA would have been your go-to choice, and you are that hardworking. I've seen it. सही है. हाँ, thank you. Welcome. Thank you बोल रहा है हमको. कभी बोला है thank you जिंदगी में?
बोले भाई.
आज तो वेलकम बुलवा रहा था जब हम लोग गौतम गए थे.
That's because you know मेरे वजह से प्लान बना है. You had a good time.
वो बात तो है. He is also like the plan executioner a lot of times.
Plan executioner. Okay.
Executioner also means the killer.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. ये plan execution मतलब do I
Killer भी हो
kill all
सकता
the
है.
plans or what? Yeah.
हाँ. But जो भी हो भाई.
You are the plan executioner. You know that, right?
ठीक है. ठीक है. Alpha sense तुम ले लो, beta sense हम ले लेते हैं.
Okay.
Sigma sense कौन लेगा? अच्छा sorry bad joke. See अब थक गए हैं. Simple logic है, थक गए. But yes, do you think this podcast was somehow useful?
That time will tell.
Only time will tell.
Yeah,
But I think it was. There is a lot people don't know about what a CA is. सब बस आंख बंद करके हमको बोलते हैं CA करना है, CA करना है.
And now you know 2 CAs because I'm Kaka. Haha.
ये मेरा disappointing face पे ना zoom आना चाहिए.
And you know, and now if it like I said it only time will tell because I saw this meme. It's not a meme, it's a post actually. So there's this movie Tamasha.
Okay.
And Imtiaz Ali was the director.
Right.
So
I saw that movie. Ranbir Kapoor.
I haven't watched the movie, but somehow it has a very niche following, and some people really love it, and some people really hate it. So I was reading this blog or post something. So before the movie release, Deepika Padukone asked the director, "Do you think this movie will do well in theaters?"
Right.
So Imtiaz Ali told her that this only time will tell. ये only 4 या 5 साल बाद हमें पता चलेगा कि मूवी ने कैसा काम किया.
अच्छा.
So that's my response.
तो हमको 4 या 5 साल तक वेट करना है आपका जब तक कोई सीए बन नहीं जाता ये लेक्चर देख के.
That's true.
कि वो बंदा रिग्रेट कर रहा है कि उसको अच्छा लग रहा है.
That's true.
But that is fine. I think you shared all of your experience, almost all of your experience becoming a CA.
नहीं भाई बहुत experience है और ऐसे ही मत बोल.
हाँ मतलब obviously यार.
तो
1 घंटा में आप कितना ही बोल पाओगे है कि नहीं. Every day जो हो रहा है that is different. But yeah, that is great. And what would be the distractions that you should stay away from while you are doing CA or while you are thinking about doing CA? What should the student be prepared for? A very strict schedule.
Like you can't like put a word to it and you can't like put it. You can't.
There's no
write,
formula. That's
yeah,
what you
yeah.
mean.
You can't write it down, give it to every people, and it won't work for everybody, right?
Everybody is different.
You need to have your own schedule. For some people, locking themselves in a room and studying for like days and days.
That is also fine.
That works for them. But for some people, for other people, it won't work because they would like कि हाँ मैंने 4 घंटा पढ़ा. I would like to chill for half an hour. Then I would want to study again.
Okay.
So there's no strict formula as such.
But पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा.
Whatever works for you. पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा. There's no shortcut to success.
Is it tough? Did you find CA tough?
It is tough. It is challenging, but like it's not like impossible because many people do it. I've done it. So it's not like I would not
like
say it's
is it
easy.
for the very intellectually sound people? Do you?
No. If you're ready to put in hard work and if you're ready, if you like the subject and
like does it involve a lot of technical judgment on your part or does it involve a lot of mugging up?
It's a mix of both because some subjects do have
law ये सब तो याद करना पड़ेगा.
I mean
audit भी याद करना
there's
पड़ता
only
है.
a limit up to which you can understand and similarly there's only a limit up to which you can mug up. After a point, because the subjects so many subjects and the curriculum being so huge, you can't like mug up all the things, right? So आपको कुछ समझना पड़ेगा, कुछ रटना पड़ेगा.
कुछ समझना पड़ता है, कुछ रटना पड़ता है. It's a mix of both.
Correct. And इससे एक और याद आ गया, क्लास 7 और 8 की बात है. So there was this thing, we were like a group of friends, we were talking about कि करियर में क्या करना है.
अच्छा you guys ये भी हो रहा था
नहीं, वो
discussion?
सब बचपन की बात है, मतलब हवा में जो बात करते थे.
हाँ वो तो होता है. एस्ट्रोनॉट बनेंगे, एस्ट्रोनॉट भाई, नासा जाएंगे.
So I was like was we talking, एक फ्रेंड कुछ पे तू क्या करेगा, मैंने बोला यार मैं मुझसे पढ़ाई तो देख होगी नहीं, because because रटा मुझे आता नहीं, समझना मेरे को आता नहीं. And this was like go to line for them for like.
And right now समझना भी पड़ गया और पढ़ना भी पड़ गया, रटना भी पड़ गया. Oh my god, it backfired.
It's just call back.
But ठीक है भाई, technology is growing, education is growing, and I hope India does better.
Yeah.
India does
I hope
better.
commerce वाले helps India to do better.
Thank you so much. Yeah. This is like huge. Oh my god, I'm impressed. Shout out दिया अपना ही brand को.
तेरे चैनल पे
खुद को shout out. इससे अच्छा promotion क्या होगा?
Yeah.
नहीं ठीक है भाई. But really, it was great talking to you. And there's nothing more I would like to ask you right now. Maybe there are like 2 questions pending, but I don't remember them because थक गए. Literally थक गए. And I think it is enough for the audience as well. सही है. बारिश भी बंद हो गया है. So
let's hope so.
Yeah, let's hope so. But ठीक है, it was a great discussion and I really loved it. And I am going to again itch you once more, like
let's have like a joint discussion with all of our friends.
Yeah, definitely. मतलब वो ज़्यादा लेट होगा, no doubt.
You need to set up something big for that.
कर लेंगे. ऐसे गरीबी पे मत हंसो.
गरीबी कहाँ bro?
नहीं ठीक है, but ठीक है भाई, बस आज के लिए इतना ही छोड़ देते हैं. Thank you so much for attending this podcast. Thank you for contributing. And I know that Chirag will be inspiring to millions of people.
Let's hope so.
Millions of people in the future. And he will set a new benchmark in his own life so that it proves to be. I wish you all the very best for your entire life. मेरे को पता है कुछ दिन में you'll leave for Delhi, right? So I'll see you again like after, I don't know when. We'll meet on a trip somewhere. You're not going next week, right?
No, I'm not going next week.
Yeah, I think after a month.
January, at least till January.
जनवरी, मतलब 1 महीना है अभी, तो 1 महीना तक हो, तब तक मैं और एक डिस्कशन रिकॉर्ड करके ऐसे फ्यूचर में डाल देंगे. सोच के कि तुमको 2-3 प्रमोशन मिली है.
वाह नहीं यार.
So that video would be ahead of time right now.
You should not harvest your crops before they are, whatever you call them. There's a saying, I don't know.
You should not harvest your crops before they grow.
You should not. अरे कुछ तो होता है ना.
What?
जो भी होता है.
Should I Google? चलो कोई बात नहीं. But ठीक है, we'll not jinx it. Let's see what happens. And I'll see you in the next podcast. आज के लिए यहीं पे wrap up करते हैं. Thank you so much everybody for watching this video. अभी ऐसे outro play होगा, उसको देख लेना, like, share, subscribe कर देना. Thank you so much.
Bye. Good night.
Hey guys. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you really enjoyed the content. Please like, share and subscribe so that we can keep putting up really fresh content almost regularly.